Assalamu alaikum. I am Sidra Yusuf, teacher of class Nursery. I am here for the subject of general knowledge. Do you know what is the general knowledge? General knowledge ऐसा knowledge है जो हर किसी को आम तौर पे होना चाहिए, ठीक है? और आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही मज़े का है. आज का टॉपिक है My introduction, myself. जैसा कि हर कोई चाहता है कि वो अपने बारे में बताए और हर किसी को अपने बारे में बताने में मज़ा आता है ना, तो मुझे भी मज़ा आता है. ठीक है, चले आज नाउ वी विल लर्न how we will introduce ourselves. Okay, these are some questions which we have sorted for you. Come on, let's learn with this. So here is the first question. What is your name? What is your name? Suppose my name is Sidra Yusuf. My name is Sidra Yusuf. What's your name? You will put here your name. Like your name is Daniel, your name is Danish, your name is Aiza. You will put here your name. My name is Sidra Yusuf. What is your name? Put here. Very good. Come on, let's move towards the next question. What's your age? What's your age? My age is I am 36 years old. How old you are? If you don't know, come on, let's go towards your mama and ask her, what's your age? And here you will put your age. I am 10 years old. I am 5 years old. Here you will put your age. Very good. Let's move towards the third question of myself. For my introduction, what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? My school name is Unique Junior School. My school name is Unique Junior School. What's your school name? Come on, put here your school name. My school name is Unique Junior School. If you are seeing this, hope you are also the Unique Junior School. Now move on the question number 4. In which class do you read? In which class do you read? I read in class Nursery. In which class do you read? आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं? आपको तो पता है. So you will put here your class. You will put here your class. Your class is Nursery. I read in class Nursery. I read in class Nursery. Very good. You are doing very good. Now move towards the question number 5. What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth? My date of birth is 25 March. My date of birth is 25 March. What's your date of birth? You have to put here your date of birth. Very good. Your date of birth is 3rd July or 3rd June or 1st January. You will put here your date of birth. Very good. Now move towards the question number 6. What is your favorite sports? What is your favorite sports? My favorite game is badminton. My favorite game is badminton. What's yours? Is it football? Is it cricket? What's your favorite game? You have to put here your favorite game. Hope you people are enjoy your introduction because everybody wants and everybody likes to introduce his own self or her own self. So enjoy yourself and keep going with learning. Thank you.